Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome to my channel, Jackie Sunshine. See how I begin my day. This is a message to all those educators who spend so much of time with their students, honing them, giving them the courage and strength to do what they need to do to achieve their goals, just like plant. All love and TLC is needed for them to grow and be beautiful. Like these little beautiful leaves coming up here. Yes. Keep doing what you're doing. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.